Hello, what's up, guys? This is 13th of November 2023, and I am planning of starting my own Java programming tutorials. Let us get started by installing Java and setting the path in our machine. Okay, and I'll also give you a brief of why do we need to set path in our machine. Alright, so currently JDK 21 has been released and it also has the long-term support. So we'll be using JDK 21 for compiling and running the Java programs. However, for the demonstration purposes, that is the demonstration of the path variable and why do we need it, we'll be using JDK 8 for the same. The reason is that because when we installed JDK 21, the path variable already comes preset in it. We don't have to explicitly set. However, that is not the case with JDK 8. JDK 8, we have to explicitly set the path variable in the Java Development Kit 8. Alright, so I already installed Java 8 in my machine. Okay, so when it is a simple process, we just need to download and click on next, and we just have to choose the default settings. So once it has been successfully installed, we'll be able to see these two folders in our Java directory inside the program files. Uh, okay, and on the other hand, I have also created this Java program. This is a simple Java program to print hello world. If you are not understanding any of the code written over here, please don't worry. We'll be explaining you everything uh, in detail about this programs in the future lectures. Okay, so for now, just bear with me. So for executing any Java program, we first need to compile it, okay? And the first step of compilation is by invoking the compiler, okay? And then writing the program's name. So as you can see, Java C is not. We have gotten an error that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable command or batch file. So this error is because we haven't set the path variable, and we are not able to invoke Java outside its current directory. Okay. So what do I mean by that? So if we go over here, we go to bin, we go inside bin, and we simply type cmd, and when we type java c over here, so as you can see, we are able to invoke Java compiler in this directory. Okay, since Java compiler is present over here, uh, but for this case, we are not able to invoke the Java compiler. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Let me close all this nonsense. So if we type Java C, we are not able to invoke the Java compiler outside its current directory. So let us try setting the path variable first. System variable. Go to environment variable. Go to system variable. Go to path. Select the bin folder's location from here. Click on new and simply enter the path. Click on OK. Now close this program. Close the CMD. Go to your program. Click on CMD. And now if you type Java C, if you try to invoke Java compiler outside its current working directory, you will be able to do so since we have added it in the path. So so what happens, first first the when we try to invoke Java compiler from here, the system tries to look for Java compiler inside this program working directory. Okay, since it is not able to find Java compiler, it searches in the path variable. So in the path variable we are able to find the Java compiler, that is we have already set the path. So let us try invoking Java C. So as you can see, we are able to invoke it. Alright, so let us try now compiling our program. So in order to compile any Java program, we have to write as Java C hello world dot Java. So upon compiling, we have gotten a class file, that is the executable file, and we have to execute this class file now. So as you can see, we have also received the output for this program. Alright. So what happens if we don't set the path variable and we want to compile it without we want to compile this program without setting the path variable? Compile and run the program. Alright. So let me first delete the class file, that is the executable first. Let me close this. Let me go system. Let me go to path variable, and let me remove path variable from over here. Okay, so as you can see, we have removed the path variable. Let me type cmd again, Java C. So as you can see, Java C has not, that means we have successfully removed the path variable. However, now we want to invoke the Java compiler without setting the path variable. So how we can do is, we have to simply set click on two double spaces, like we have to simply type two double quotes and then Java C. So let us see if the we are able to invoke the Java compiler or not. So as you can see, we are able to invoke the Java compiler. Now let us try running this program. Java C hello world dot Java. Let's check if the executable. Okay, so we can see the executable file is created. So now let us try running this program. No, we forgot to type double quotes over here. Now we have to invoke the Java program to run this program. So as you can see, we are able to compile and run this program, and we have also gotten the desired output. So this was all for this video. I hope you like and understand the concept, and please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Thank you.